In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download, install, and set up Siemens NX step by step. To begin, you'll need to visit the official Siemens Digital Industries Software Support portal. From there, log in with your account credentials to access the download section. Once logged in, navigate to the NX section and select the version you want. You'll typically find separate files for the main installation, updates, and license management tools. Download all the required files. These may come in ISO format or as zip archives. Once the download is complete, the next step is to extract or mount the installation files. If you downloaded a zip file, right-click and choose Extract All to create a new folder. If you have an ISO file, you can simply right-click and select Mount on Windows 10 or 11, which will open it like a virtual DVD drive. Alternatively, you can use a tool such as 7-zip to extract its contents. Now that the files are ready, it's time to run the installer. Open the extracted or mounted folder and look for setup.exe or install.exe. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator to avoid permission issues. The Siemens NX installer will launch with a welcome screen. Click Next to proceed. From here, you'll select your preferred language, choose the installation directory, and ensure you have enough disk space. You'll also be prompted to select which components of NX to install, such as modeling, drafting, or manufacturing. If you're not sure which to choose, the typical or full installation is a safe option. Next, configure your licensing by either connecting to a license server or selecting a node-locked license for single user use. Finally, review your selections and click Install to begin the process. Once installation and licensing are complete, you're ready to launch Siemens NX. Open it from the Start menu, and after a short loading time, the NX welcome screen should appear, confirming a successful installation. To make sure everything's working, try creating a new part or assembly file. And that's it, you've successfully downloaded, installed, and set up Siemens NX. Thank you for watching this video.